We're here today with David Rowe, Professor of Law at the University of Miami School of Law in Coral Gables, Florida. Good evening, Professor Rowe.
Good evening, sir.
Professor Rowe, could you please comment on the recent hearing last week in Jamaica concerning the Commission of Enquiry?
Well, as you know, the Commission of Enquiry has started in Jamaica. It has been slow and non-penetrative thus far. In fact, it must be said that the Commission has not accomplished a great deal so far, but hopefully, as the Commission continues, the witnesses, at the rate at which the witnesses are called, will be speeded up, and the content of the testimony will be more significant.
Can you speak about the decision to exclude certain testimony from the hearing last week?
Well, as you know, the Campaign for Social and Economic Justice wanted me to represent them in front of the Commission. They are concerned about how 76 or more individuals from Tivoli Gardens were killed as a result of government action last year. The Chief Commissioner, Mr. George, has ruled that the Campaign for Social and Economic Justice does not have an interest in the inquiry, and so I was not able to participate as counsel in the inquiry.
Can you address the issue of Mr. Harold Brady's testimony or lack thereof?
Mr. Brady, who is a critical witness because he is the go-between or the attorney who created or negotiated the relationship between Manat Phelps and the government of Jamaica, did not elect to testify last week, despite the fact that he was summoned by the Commission. Mr. Brady indicates that his testimony is privileged because much of it relates to his communication with a client. I assume the client is the government of Jamaica or the Prime Minister of Jamaica. It is unfortunate that Mr. Brady was made several public remarks concerning his role in the matter, should have sought at this critical stage to try to achieve what we would call some type of protection from testimony, a protection from testimony predicated on privilege, when he already has abandoned that privilege by making radio announcements.
At this stage, and given recent events, what is your view on the popular support for the Commission and what impact its findings will now have?
I think the Commission could still be relevant, although it appears that at this stage, public support and public confidence in it is diminishing. The Attorney General's office was unable to provide the Commission with critical documentation this week. The Commission has only met 2 of the 5 days for this week, and it doesn't appear to be a productive or a constructive exercise at this early stage.
Professor Rowe, thank you very much for your time.